So we're having a quick competition to see who's faster, Johnnee or Daniel wrapping a fender, basically.
Come on, ref!
Set, go!
I gotta carry him.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be working on all the chassis on the Civic, and as you guys can see, it's black, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Most cars, they come in, I guess, a bunch of different colors. I'm sure you guys have noticed. When we do black cars, it's super fun because we get to accent a lot of the different vinyls, colors, and stuff with the black, and it's kind of like our premium signature. It's kind of what we're going to be doing today. My beautiful, lovely assistant over there. Yes, she's a cat. My beautiful, lovely assistant's gonna help me get this car all prepped up and clean. We gonna prep this car, cuz! Yeah! Yeah, we gonna prep it! Yeah! Woo! Back to the regular scheduled stuff that we do.
Look at my John! Hey! Look at my John! Hey! I don't think that's how the song goes.
Hey.
You're gonna fade out.
About to get started on the hood itself. He's back there tack clothing the whole surface of the hood. That's gonna be our first panel that we lay on this chassis of this car. Pretty sure you guys have already seen, or maybe not, but we actually have the bumpers done and they're just both sitting over there pretty much ready. Yeah, so all he's doing now is he's gonna give it a quick tack cloth. He's cleaning up his hands and we're gonna start laying some hood action, you know what I'm saying?
You think you could wrap a fender faster than Johnnee?
Yeah, free.
Damn.
Come on, fool.
Round one.
So we're having a quick competition to see who's faster, Johnnee or Daniel wrapping a fender, basically. And I did that just because we'll get the car out faster. So.
Come on, ref!
All right, ready?
Come on, ref!
Set, go! Ooh. Daniel takes off the backing paper first. Ooh, now Johnnee's off the backing paper. What are your thoughts, Daniel?
I'm gonna win. I never doubt myself.
What are your thoughts, Johnnee?
Leave me alone, I don't focus.
Edwin, you're filming the wrong dude. Come film the winner.
I can talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed.
Johnnee was gonna wrap this one. He was preparing to wrap this one.
Yeah, I don't know why you switched sides.
Because it wouldn't be fair.
Oh!
When I win, this would have been down like I'm done.
Damn, what? Go to Dan, go to Dan.
I didn't even realize it. I finished.
Daniel, what you gotta say?
Mine's gonna be better.
Wait, look on this side. Look on this side. Look where Daniel's is at. And go to Johnnee's over real quick. Check the corners. Check the corners.
What?
Check every corner.
Corner verification.
Corner, good. You're good. You're good. You're
Good.
Check into the wheel well.
Nice.
Great, dude.
Oh, Jesus.
Undo here. Oh, damn.
Looks good or what?
Oh, well.
Whoa.
Right here? What was that?
Oh, well.
Besides that, you're damn.
I thought I was gonna lose, bro.
Heck yeah, dude, you were way behind.
You know what?
I went over to this side, and he was like, dang it. And then
I honestly thought I won. I slowed down. I'm like, I thought I was gonna go film you finishing.
It's like the rabbit in the hair. You're going nice and slow.
Well, because at the beginning I didn't want to ruin the material. I didn't want to like get it glue lines or anything. So that was like, I gotta do this part calmly. Like, he's over here commentating now. He won so fast that he's commentating the race now. Bro, you gonna disgrace me like that? Oh. Damn, you doing me like that? Quick little wrap off, got it done. We never rush, so that was all for fun. Fenders came out perfect, they look great. I beat Johnnee, he's really slow at wrapping. So eventually you'll catch up, bro. I'm telling you, one day you'll be as quick as me. You just gotta put in a little bit more time, bro. A little bit more time. But that's the end of this vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget about the 200,000 subscriber giveaway. We're gonna be giving away a car wrap at 200K. We're like 30,000 away. So if you guys wanna get involved, you wanna potentially win this wrap, go to the description below, sign up. It doesn't take nothing but 2 minutes to do it. Sign up, enter the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, comment every once in a while. Comment in this video how slow Johnnee was. We'll see you guys in the next one.